Hey Fools, today we're continuing the Ask a Fool series. Today we have a question from Stefan. The question is, SolarCity has jumped almost 200% in the last couple of months since its IPO and is closely connected with Tesla, which has also exhibited similar behavior after posting its first profit. Do you see the upward trend continuing or is a pullback looming?
Well, I mean, answering this question, you see the company up almost 300% this year, really outpacing peers. SunPower comes close at about 255%, and First Solar lagging at 80%, if you can really consider that lagging compared to the market.
Yeah.
It's the largest rooftop distributed solar producer in the United States, so I think that there is definitely room to run. Hard to compare it to Tesla because they're two completely different business models, aside from the growth story and Elon Musk, but they're catering to different clientele. But right now, I definitely like what SolarCity has set up to do. And where they're heading right now.
Yeah, definitely. When they were IPOing earlier this year, the price actually dropped before because there's a lot of uncertainty around the company. However, now, after it's up so much, really, what has the company done to get to this point?
Well, the leasing model is what really sets it apart. Other companies are slowly starting to buy into this, but SolarCity really set it on fire. You look at Goldman Sachs buying into it, getting them $500 million in order to finance some projects for customers around the United States. Goldman Sachs believes in renewable energy, wanting to put $40 billion over the next 10 years into it. So with the SolarCity deal, that's just a start for them. This also leaves lessees with almost zero upfront cost. They just pay for the lease over the life cycle of the solar panels, and that's the fee that SolarCity collects. So I think that they've created a nice niche business for themselves. We'll see if SunPower or First Solar can move more in this direction. You look at First Solar creating the panels and then building out more on a utility-based scale, and then SunPower is hoping to get into this lease-based business. But with SolarCity already in there, I definitely think that they've got a stranglehold, and we'll see if anybody can chip away.
Yeah, definitely. SolarCity, they use a lot of the Chinese pretty much utility type, like you mentioned, panels. Basically, that allows them to have a lower cost. So you could see SunPower come in with a more efficient model that they've built in-house that could maybe come out and compete. But already having such a large share of the market and really growing in a lot of the popular areas, this really is a company that I don't think will have a big competitor in the near term. So thanks a lot for your insight. Be sure to tune back into Fool.com for more energy analysis.